recently saved a pigeon baby or rescued it or bagged it, and they need medicines and sometimes they do not eat the food. So do you know how to feed them? If you do not know, then you have came to the right video to learn it. So do watch the video till the end to know how to feed your pigeon. Before that, watch the intro. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This method is applied to any bird like parrot, crows, pigeons, baby or adult. You need a syringe, a pigeon baby or any bird, pigeon food, see the food, or any kind of bird food which is specialized for that bird. Now see the nostrils, you could see it is pinkish. Now catch the pigeon by one hand, take the food in other. Now which hand you are catching the bird, just take the nostrils tight, hold the nostrils tight and put the food inside the mouth. Now put your finger inside so that it could take the food properly. Catch the nostrils tight, put your finger inside, let it swallow the food and remove your finger out. Continue this until you feed your pigeon completely. Watch carefully. When you catch the nostrils, the air portion will close, air path, and the food track will open. Now put the food inside, put your finger inside so that it swallows a more big gulp and there is less chances of it to get choked. For big birds, give lesser food at a time because small birds are habituated with lots of seed intaking from their mother, but when they grows up, they can't eat like that. So give less amount each time. While feeding the water, catch the nostrils tight. Now put the syringe inside and forcefully insert the water completely. Then leave the nostrils. Hold the nostrils tight even after you have completed feeding the water. This water rushing through the throat may insert the air pipe, so the air tract must be safe. While you feed, there are lots of infection in the respiratory tract due to wrong feeding. So while you feed the water, be very careful to hold the nostrils tight and the air pipe must be closed completely.